Can a keyboard switch truly change your typing game, or even reduce your stress? GATERON is making some bold claims with their new melodic switches, and we're diving in to see if they hit all the right notes. These aren't just any clicky switches. GATERON has crafted something quite unique here. Right off the bat, the name Melodic isn't just marketing fluff. They boast an exclusive click leaf structure that delivers a sound that's genuinely crisp and, dare I say, rather pleasing to the ear. It's not just a loud click, there's a distinct quality to it. The typing experience is defined by that 60 GF operation force. It's a heavy clicky feel, giving you substantial feedback with every press. For those who love a tactile and audible response, this is going to be incredibly satisfying. You really feel that accurate triggering, which is crucial whether you're hammering out an essay or deep into a gaming session. The pre-travel is a precise 2 mm, meaning your actions register quickly and consistently. Stability is another big win for the melodic switches. GATERON has implemented a dual-rail design, which significantly reduces stem wobble. This translates to a more solid and confident keystroke, making your typing feel much more precise. The materials are also top-notch: a durable palm stem, a clear PC top housing, and a robust nylon bottom housing. Plus, they come pre-lubed, which is a fantastic touch, ensuring smooth operation right out of the box. Compatibility is broad, fitting most 5-pin SMD-led hot-swappable mechanical keyboards, so integrating them into your existing setup should be a breeze. And let's talk about the packaging. It's not just a bag of switches. They arrive in an exquisite PVC plastic box, designed to protect those delicate pins from bending, making them feel like a premium product and an excellent gift for any keyboard enthusiast. Now for the most intriguing claim: reducing stress and anxiety. GATERON suggests these switches, with their satisfying mechanical clicky sound, can double as fingertip toys or keychains. It sounds a bit quirky, but honestly, there's something undeniably therapeutic about a good clicky switch. For adults looking to relieve stress or just pass the time, that satisfying feedback could indeed be a small, welcome distraction. Overall, the GATERON Melodic switches are a compelling option. They deliver on their promise of a stable, precise, and audibly pleasing typing experience. The heavy clicky feel is robust, the build quality is solid, and the attention to detail, even down to the packaging, is impressive. If you're chasing that perfect, satisfying click and a truly stable keystroke, the GATERON Melodic switches might just be the upgrade your keyboard has been singing for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.